Hey, how you doing? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to color grade your images really simply, really quickly using Adobe Photoshop. This is a great method because it randomizes different colors, so you can basically sit there, let Photoshop do the work for you. So I'm going to walk you through the process. So the first thing you want to do once you've opened your image up is come up to layer and then go to new adjustment layer, come down to gradient map. Now this little box is going to pop up here. And we want to come to the mode and change that to soft light. And then we want to drop this opacity down to 30%. Press OK. Now your gradient map will appear up here. Now what we want to do is just double click within this gradient here and this box will come up. So come down to the bottom where it says solid and we want to change that to noise. Now what you'll see is that roughness is at 50%. I'm going to push this up to 100% just to show you. So what this is doing is creating lots and lots of lines, and all of these lines are different colors. So we're going to be using this, but at a really low opacity. So we want to go down anywhere between 20 and 30%. Anything more than 30% is going to start looking a little bit odd. Make sure that restricted colors is on. And at the minute, what this is showing you is these colors here on your picture. All you need to do now is click on randomize, and you'll see that Photoshop will just go through random colors that are within the sort of triad color theory, which is great because they're really easy, really simple colors, but they work together. So it's just a case of finding a color combination that works for you. So for instance, I quite like this green, so we can just say okay to that. Now if I come up to the opacity, you'll see that we changed that to 30% when we created it, but if I move it up to 100, you'll see why we've done that, because the color is just too rich and just doesn't work. So that's why we have it down at 30%. So you can bring that further down, you can bring it further up. You just have to be really, really careful not to overdo it. But if we look at that at 30%, let's just click on the eye. So that's the before, that's the after. So it's a really, really simple process. It gets you looking at different colors and takes away some of the pain of deciding what colors to choose to color grade your images. So I hope you enjoyed that. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.